is the first down attempt here for the Revolution. They go ahead, they hand it off. They do. They get it up to Jordan Lewis, and he doesn't get much. He's unable to place the ball at the 17-yard line. Kick is blocked by the Green Bay Blizzard, and he's handled there into the dasher board. So that's they're down to 21 from the 22-yard line. Ball snap back to pass is Corey. He's looking, and now he's going to take off, and he is sandwiched there by two Green Bay. Here in the Allen Event Center at Sonny Clark. 44 seconds left to go in the third. Ball snapped on the ground, picked up by Jimmy Coy. Puts the ball up in the air and had to rush it because they took over this football game in the third quarter. As they line up here on first down, and Coy takes the ball, hands it off to Brown. The ball, second down and 10 on the 24-yard line. Boy back to pass. He was looking. Now he's going to take off, use his legs. He goes one way and goes to the yet another.
Counts the ball carrier out to the pass ball is complete. Brought down the play on the council of ball carrier stopped on the play on the
try to minute motion top of your screen. They go ahead and pitch it over to Brown. He's met there immediately by the Green Bay Blizzard defense. First half, they line this up. They're going to place it on the goal line. It's going to be a 58-yard field goal attempt by the Texas Revolution. Ball is blocked right there, and it's going to be recovered in the end zone and taken it out of bounds, which is a good idea. The score is going to be needed here to extend this lead. Boyd gets the snap. He's back to pass. He's looking, being flushed out of the pocket, puts the ball in the air. It's almost caught by Clint Solomon, who slid across the field yet again. A couple of teams have played 5, so 2 bye weeks early in the season for the Revolution. They go ahead and hand the ball off, and they get it over there. This time it's positive yardage for Jordan Brown. He pushes it up. A couple of teams have played 5, so 2 bye weeks early in the season for the Revolution. They go ahead and hand the ball off, and they get it over there. This time it's positive yardage for Jordan Brown. He pushes it up. Back up the Revolution 5 yards, bring up second down and 13.